India is one of the largest markets in the world today with a population of over 1.2 billion people. India is a huge market, so opportunities are enormous. If you talk about the particular sectors in which the opportunities exist, then I would say infrastructure is the main area because our infrastructure is very weak. But we are in the process of creating the infrastructure now, and the government is giving a lot of emphasis to the infrastructure sector. So a lot of foreign companies are now coming into India. So that is one area I would like to see is very important. It's an area which is growing. Apart from this, I would like to say that there are lots of opportunities which exist in high tech. If you talk about the machinery or you talk about the new technologies, biotechnology where Spain is very strong already, or let's say solar, these are the new sectors which are emerging, and these are the areas where a lot of opportunities exist in India. India is very slow in everything. There is a long bureaucratic process in getting the permissions and settling down, and then the response from the market is also very slow to come by. So therefore, the first advice I would like to give to the companies is to be patient and make a full commitment in the market. Normally the experience of the companies is that in the first 1 or 2 years they don't generate profits. But that should not discourage them, because India is a huge market, the middle class is growing, we've got a very large middle class, and there will be opportunities for the companies, so they need to be patient. The second thing is, before they come to the market, they need to analyze by themselves what is the unique advantage they enjoy. People say it's a price-sensitive market, but I would say it's a very value-conscious market. So the companies that have some kind of competitive advantage, either in terms of a product, if they have a competitive advantage in the product, or in a service, or in the cost, then they have a very large opportunity to survive and succeed in India. But the companies which are Me Too companies, which also want to come, they will find it a little difficult, because India is getting more and more saturated in terms of the foreign companies coming there. So the companies which don't have a unique advantage or a competitive advantage in either the service or the product or in cost will have a little difficult time. I think the future is very bright. As I have mentioned earlier also, it's a growing population. Plus, it's a very young population. I think we are among the youngest nations in the world. The average working age of people is between 32 to 35 years. And it's a very young nation, so there are lots of opportunities. And since the nation is so young, we have a big number of aspiring people that want to buy a lot of new things. At the same time, the companies in India are becoming quite quality conscious, which was not the case some years ago. But the companies are becoming quality conscious, so they want to invest in latest technology. So the companies which are either in consumer products or industrial products, I see they have a lot of opportunities in India.